So third chapter from 7th class of maths, simple equations. So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of simple equation. That is, what is equation? That is equal, equating two terms. Let us take an example. That is Ramu. Ramu has 3 chocolates. Ramu has, that is 3 chocolates. 3 chocolates, which cost is equal to 15 rupees. Let's think. 15 rupees. So we had the one chocolate cost. So let's chocolate is equal to x. We can, for the writing this many words, we can write 1x, only one term. That is, x is nothing but a chocolate. So Ramu has 3 chocolates, 3x. X is nothing but chocolates. We can substitute wherever the chocolate is substituted by the x. So 3x is equal to 15. So here the x value should be in such a way that 3 into x is equal to 15. Let's take, if the chocolate rupees is 1 rupee, then let's see here. If the x is equal to 1, that is nothing but chocolate is equal to 1 rupee, 3 into 1 rupee, that is 3 into 1 rupee is equal to 15. That is 3 ones are 3 is equal to 15. It is not equal. So chocolate cost is not 1 rupee. Take another example. Let's x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2. Then 3x is equal to 15. 3 into x, x is equal to, that is 3 into 2 is equal to 15. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 15. Then 6 is equal to 15. It is not equal. We should get 15 equal to 15. So chocolate cost is also not 1 rupee. 2 rupee also not. Then x is equal to 3. 3x is equal to 15. Substitute x is equal to 3. That is 3 is equal to 15. 3 3s are 3 into 3, that is 9 equal to 15. Not equal. Then here 3 also not chocolate cost. So 3 rupees also not the chocolate cost. Let's take 4. Then x is equal to 4. Here 3x is equal to 15. We know this equation. This is equation. Then x is equal to 4. From this one, 3 substitute 4 is equal to 15. 3 4s are 12 here. 12 is equal to 15. This is also not equal. This is also not equal. Then 4 rupees also not the cost of chocolate. Then take 5 rupees. 3x, no, x is equal to chocolate rupees. Chocolate x is equal to 5 rupees. Then 3x is equal to 15. Substitute the x value here. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15 is equal to 15. This one 15 is equal to 15. We get same value here. So then the chocolate cost is 5 rupees. Here the x is equal to 5 rupees. This method is a simple method. We can do in another method also. Little bit tough when compared with this one. This is a playway method like this. For the 3rd class and 4th class, 6th class, 7th class also can understand this kind of method. So go to the other method. We can do in another way. That is, here one equation is formed. That is 3x is equal to 15. So we have studied in the first chapter, that is integers. When the 3 is multiplying with the x, 3 here is multiplying. When goes to other side, it becomes division. So here 3 into x is equal to 15. Then 3 goes to other side, that is division. That is x is equal to, here x is equal to 15 divided by 3. It becomes division when goes to other side. So 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 5 rupees. We get simply an equation. when we take in consideration into equations, if we go to the like substituting the value from 1 to 1 to till the answer come. This is one of the easiest method to do to solve equations. This is the first exercise of simple equations. The first bit is we have to write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. That is 2x is equal to 10 rupees. So we have to find the x, and we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. That is left hand side is equal to our right hand side. This is the first equation. So let us draw an imaginary line. Draw a pencil with a line, and this is a face. This is two legs. This let draw here. This hand, this is hand. This is right hand, and this is left hand. So what is 2x? It is left hand side. What is 10? It is right hand side. Simply that is 2x is equal to left hand side. Left hand side. That is nothing but LHS. And the 10 is equal to which hand? Right side hand. That is right hand side. Right hand side. So that is RHS. Just we have to write the following equation is right hand side and left hand side and right hand side. Second one from the first exercise of simple equation. Again, draw an imaginary line. That is imaginary line. One line. Consider a line which has two legs and one head. One head, one hand. This hand is right hand, and this hand is left hand. So let's compare. This is left side, this is right side. So LHS, left hand side, is equal to, which is left hand side? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. And right hand side 9. So that is RHS, right hand side. What is 9? 9 is the right hand side of this Balu. Let's think him Balu. This is a Balu. We are taking one example, that is Balu. Balu has two hands. That is right hand side having 9 and left hand side having 2x minus 3. So that is second one. Let's go to third one. This is third one. Again we have to take with the help of Balu. Here Balu or any your wish. You can take any name. For the easy understanding, I am taking Balu. This is a Balu. This body and two legs having two hands. This hand is, that is right hand. Right hand. This hand is left hand. So here what is left side? 4z plus 1. That is left hand side. Short form of LHS, left hand side, is equal to, that is 4z plus 1. That is RHS. Right hand side. What is right hand side? Is equal to 8. 8 is the right hand side. So over. You can do and remaining problems in this way. Just drawing a line, that is Balu in the place of equation. We have to compare the left hand side and right hand side. I will say that is 8th one and 7th one. This is 6th one. Again Balu. This body, there's two legs, and this is two hands. This is one right side one, and this is left side one. Left side one. So Balu's hand has two hands, that is left hand and right hand. 14 is right side. So right hand side, that is 14 is left. Let's take right hand side. What is on right hand side? That is 14 is, that is RHS is equal to 14, because it is right side of Balu. And take left LHS, that is left hand side, that is equal to, it is 7m. Let's do 8th one without taking help of Balu. Here 8 is equal to Q plus 5. we have to draw a line in the middle of equation, that is right side. Here the right side. Here right side, this one left side. Left hand side, that is left side. That is LHS. LHS is equal to 8 and RHS is equal to Q plus 5. That is second bit. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. First one is 2 plus y is equal to 7. First exercise, second bit. So we have to substitute y is equal to such a value which equates y plus 2 is equal to 7. So let's try something, that is y is equal to 1. Then what? Then y is equal to 1. 2 plus 1. The 2 plus y is equal to 7. Here 3 is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 1 is wrong, because when we consider y is equal to 1, when we take y is equal to 1, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 7, not equal. We have to get that 2 plus y value is equal to 7. Let's take something bigger than, that is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3, that is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. That is, here 2 plus 3 is 5 is equal to 7, which is coming nearer. So take some more bigger one than 3. Let's take and y is equal to 4. We have taken 3. Let's take 4. That is 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. 2 plus, substitute the value of y. Here y is equal to 4 and 2. Here what is the y? Y is equal to 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 is equal to 7. So we are coming closer to the equation, that is 7 equation. Let's take y is equal to 5. That is y is equal to 5. That is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to, that is 7 is equal to 7. Then here the y is equal to value is 5. Here we have to prove that, and we should get LHS, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 7 is equal to 7. It is, if we get 7 is equal to 7, then the value taken by the y is correct. Otherwise, if we take the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get something less than the value of 7. That's why the y is equal to 5 is correct. And second one, that is a minus 2 is equal to 6. Let's take a is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to, let's 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to 6. Here 1 minus 2 is 1. But here the minus is to the bigger value, that is 2. We have to consider the minus. Okay, minus 1. If we take a is equal to 1, in place of a, if we take 1, that is a minus 2 is equal to 6, the question, and a is equal to 1 we have to consider right this here, and the a is equal to 1, 1 minus 2 is equal to 6. Here minus 1 is equal to 6. So minus 1 is equal to 6, not equal, that is left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Okay, this is not correct. So we have to take another value, that is a is equal to something bigger one. Let's take a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Here a minus 2 is equal to 6. Let's take a is equal to 2. That is 2 minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 6. Then also not proved, that is left hand side is not equal to right hand side. We have to get the left hand side 6. Let's take a is equal to some more than the value of 6. Let's take here 7. Let's take 7. That is a minus 2 is equal to 6. That is question here. 6. Let's take a is equal to 7. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 6. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 here, 6. So it is closer. The 5 is closer to 6. Let's take here 8. A is equal to 8. Then what the question answer will be here? That is A minus 2 is equal to 6. That is A is equal to 8. Substitute A here 8. A minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Here we have equated the two values, that is left hand side. This is left hand side, this is left hand side, and this one right hand side. RHS, right hand. This is brute. This is the one way, and also we can do in another way also, in an easy way. That is A minus 2 is equal to 6. So we have to find the A value here. So here in the question they have given that solve the following equation by trial and error method. So we have to follow the previous method only. There is another method we have to find the A value. A minus 2 is equal to 6. Here 2 is subtracting. So let's take to other side, that is opposite side, it becomes addition. That is when goes to here, this A is equal to 6 plus 2. That is A is equal to 8. So the A value is 8. So we can verify that whether A is equal to 8 or not. Let's check here. That is question A is equal to 2 is equal to 6. We got A is equal to 8. Let's check whether A is equal to 8, that is correct or not. Let's substitute the 8 is equal to, A is equal to 8. Here 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Then this is A is equal to right, 8 is the correct answer. That is because we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. Here 5m is equal to 15. As the first one I have said that Ramo has 3 chocolates. Similarly the problem also. Simple equation. The 5m is equal to 15. We have to take m is equal to 1. Let's take m is equal to 1. Then 5m is equal to 15. That is 5m is equal to 15. We have to place the m value here. So m into 1 is equal to 15. 5 ones are 5. Here 5 is equal to 15. That is not equal. It is not equal. So the question is wrong. So here 5 is not equal to 15. We have to get the value of 15 here. So that left hand side is equal to RHS. That is right hand side. We have to prove in that way. So let's take m is equal to 2. Then 5m is equal to 15. 15. Let's take here 15. We had substituted the m value here. M is equal to 2. We have considered here. We have taken example just to prove, to get the answer. Then 5 into 2 is equal to 15. So 5 2s are 10 is equal to 15. We came here a little bit closer than the previous value. Here we got 10 less than the actual answer. Here we get 5 less than the actual answer. So let's take another example here. Let's take m is equal to 3. If we take m is equal to 3, then the two hand side, that the right hand side and left hand side, are equal or not. That is, if 5m is equal to 15, we have to substitute the m is equal to 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to 15. So we have equated two values, that is 15 is equal to 15. LH left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the m is equal to 3 is the correct answer. M is the correct answer. Because if the m is equal to 3, we can get the value of 15. Similarly, you can do the fourth one also, that is same as third one. 2n is equal to 4. That is fourth one is 2n is equal to 14. So just substitute the value n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1 and 2, 3 and go on, so on, until you get the 14 answer. If you substitute the n is equal to 2, that is here the fourth one, here the 2n is equal to 14. If you substitute n is equal to 5, let's think n is equal to 5. Let's example, just we are assuming whether the answer get correct or not, I don't know. So n is equal to 5. Here 2n is equal to 14. Let's take n is equal to, let's take here, it is not visible. 2n is equal to 14. If we take n is equal to 5, that is 2, substitute the value of n here. 2, 5, 14. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 14. We have to substitute here the value until we get 14. You can try fourth one. Let's go through some examples so that you can understand more deeply. Example 1, that is first one is solve x plus 3 equal to 7. I will go in a way such that the textbook is explained. So textbook explained in a different manner. So I will also go in that way so that you can understand easily when you refer book also. So this is example problem 1. I will erase here. Example. We know that here this is the equation. We know the right hand side and left hand side. So make a line here. This is right hand side, that is RHS, and this is LHS. We have to draw a line at the equal symbol. This is the equal symbol. We have to draw a line with the equal symbol. The right hand side of the line is RHS, and the left side of the line is LHS. Previous we have taken the example, that is help of Balu. So here LHS, left hand side, here we know that LHS is equal to x plus 3 and the RHS is equal to 7. So we have to prove that RHS is equal to LHS, we have to make. So in order to make the LHS, that is LHS, here we have to make LHS is equal to only x. So only x, we have to remove the 3. So how to remove 3? The 3 plus 3 can be removed by adding minus 3, because plus 3 and minus 3 can. Second exercise, solve the following equation by transposing the terms and check your result. So first of all we do second one. The first one we have completed in the previous video. The first one. So this is second one. 2 plus y is equal to 7. No, second one is, second one, 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. So already we have studied that. Already we know that when the minus, that is LHS, let us example LHS and RHS. When the minus on LHS transform to RHS, it becomes plus, and plus on LHS when transformed to RHS, it becomes minus. We know these 4 conditions of the simple equations when the transforming quantities from LHS to RHS. So here the minus 3 is going to the RHS. So this minus 3 going to the RHS. We know already this one, that is a 2a minus 3 is equal to LHS, and this 5 is equal to RHS. We know already. So we need to write again. So this minus 3 going to RHS side, it becomes plus 3. 2a is equal to 5 plus 3. 2a is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So a is equal to here 2 into a is multiplying here. On LHS, 2 is multiplying with a. When it goes to RHS, 2 is divided by 8. So here it goes to LHS, that is LHS on 2 becomes on RHS division, that is a is equal to 8 by 2 it becomes. So 2 1s, 2 4s, a is equal to 4. In the question they have given, we have to check the result. So we got a is equal to 4. Whether the a is equal to 4 is a correct or not, we have to check. So take the question again. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. A is equal to 4, we have to substitute. A is 2 into, we have to substitute the A in place of, we have to set the 4 in place of A here. 4 minus 3 is equal to 5. 2 4s are 8. Minus 3 is equal to 5. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 is equal to 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. That is proved. The equations are balanced. So for second one is, let's take fourth one. Third one only. Because fourth one is exactly similar as second one. So take third one. Third one, 10 minus Q is equal to 6. So this is dead easy, I think. Easy. So here minus Q. So minus Q. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So RHS is equal to, the right hand side is a 6 and left hand side is a 10 minus Q. When minus Q on LHS goes to the RHS, that is right hand side, it becomes plus Q. 10 is equal to 6 plus Q. Okay. And 6 here plus 6. When RHS of 6 goes to LHS, it becomes minus because it is plus. The 10 minus 6 is equal to Q. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. That is Q is equal to 4, and we have to check the result. Q is equal to 4 is a correct answer or not. So let's take 10 minus Q is equal to 6 and Q is equal to 4. Substitute the 4 value where the Q is. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Let's take another one. This is third one. Fourth one is similar as second one. And fifth one as similar as, fifth one is not similar. So this is fifth one. So 14 is equal to 27 minus x. So let's transform this a minus x. Here minus x. When RHS of minus x transform to LHS, it becomes plus x. That is 4x plus x is equal to 27 when it goes to this side. And here 14 is plus. When it goes to RHS, it becomes minus. That is x is equal to 27 minus 14. So here take 27 minus 14 is 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So x is equal to 13. We got x is equal to 13 as the answer. We have to check whether 13 is a correct answer or not. Checking result here. So note down the question. 14 is equal to 27 minus x and x is equal to, we got 13. Substitute the value of x substitute the value of 13 where the x is. So 14 is equal to 27 minus x. So x is equal to, we know already 13. Here 13. So 27 minus 13 is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So here, so 14 is equal to 14. It is also proved. That is RHS is equal to LHS. Here we consider sixth one. Sixth one is little bit tricky when compared with the others. That is 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. So 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. So here 5 into x plus 4. Here 5 is multiplying. When the LHS, here the LHS and this is RHS. 5 is multiplying. That is, we know already it becomes division and division becomes into. We know already. So here 5 is multiplying. When it goes to the RHS, it becomes division. That is x plus 4 is equal to, that is x plus 4 is equal to 35. When 5 goes to other side that is RHS, it becomes, when 5 goes to RHS, that is x plus 4 is equal to 35 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So we got x plus 4 is equal to, that is x plus 4 is equal to 7 we got. x plus 4. I will write here for the easy. X plus 4 is equal to 7. Here plus 4 on LHS goes to RHS. We know already, that is plus becomes minus from transforming LHS to RHS. So here x is equal to 7 minus 4 because plus 4 becomes minus 4. So x is equal to 7 minus 4 is nothing but 3. So we got x is equal to 3. We have to check whether x is equal to 3 or not. So we have to check. Here the question we have to write again. We know already x is equal to 3. Substitute the value 3 where the x is. So here 5 we had to substitute here 3 plus 4 is equal to 35. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 is equal to 35. So 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 35 is equal to 35. So LHS is equal to RHS, and we have proved also. We have checked the result also. Go to 7th one. It is little bit lengthy. That is 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. So here minus 3. When it goes to RHS, it becomes plus. So 5x is equal to, let's take here. So 5x is equal to 3x minus 5 plus 3. Because here minus 3 becomes plus 3. When LHS of minus becomes, transformed to RHS. So here 3x minus 5 plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 3. We know 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. But we have to take here minus 2 because bigger value have minus. Is equal to 3x minus 2. That is 5x. Here 5x and 3x. There are no other numbers like 5, 3, 2. So we have only here minus 2. That is we got from the minus 5 plus 3. So we have to transform this one. So here plus 3 when goes to LHS it becomes minus 3. 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 2. So 5x minus 3x is equal to, that is 2x. 2x is equal to minus 2. So here 2 into x is equal to minus 2. 2 is multiplying with x. When an LHS on is equal to RHS, on LHS side multiplication transforming to RHS it becomes division, we know. So 2x when 2 goes to RHS it becomes division. X is equal to minus 2 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled here, minus 1. We got x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 value. Again we have to check the result, whether the result is correct or not. Here checking process. So again write the question. 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. So substitute the x value, substitute the minus 1 because we got x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. We have to substitute the minus 1 where the x is. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So minus 5 is given in the question. Minus 5 here. If we observe here minus 5 minus 3 minus 3 minus 5. So minus 3 plus minus 3 and minus 5 becomes minus 8 is equal to minus 3 and minus 5 becomes minus 8. So RHS is equal to LHS. Hence x is equal to minus 1 is the correct answer. This is 9th one, which is similarly as 8th one, even though I am explaining. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 5y minus 4. So let's do one thing here. Let's transform this 5x into LHS. We can do anything here. For the easy, we are transforming 5y into LHS here. LHS and this is RHS. We know this is plus 5y. It becomes to minus 5. Minus 5y. 3y plus 4 minus 5y is equal to minus 4. Just we have to change the place of 5y to the LHS so that the quantity becomes same but the symbol changes. 3y and minus 5y. So here having the bigger value minus, take minus. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Okay. And here plus 4. When it goes to LHS, that is RHS. When it goes to RHS, it becomes minus 4. Minus 2y is equal to minus 4 minus 4. So minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. So minus 2y is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. So this minus and this minus gets cancelled. So 2y is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 8 by 2. Because here 2 is multiplying with y. When it goes to LHS, it becomes division. We know we have already read in the previous topic, that is x becomes, that is multiplication becomes division when LHS to RHS, and here RHS, that is LHS division becomes multiplication on RHS. Similarly, so 2 1s, 2 4s, we got y is equal to 4 answer, and we have to check the result whether 4 is equal to, the y is equal to 4 is correct or not. So checking process. Write down the question. 3y plus 4 is equal to 5y minus 4. We have to substitute the value of 4 where the y is. So 3 into 4 plus 4 is equal to 5. We have to substitute 4 here in y place, minus 4. 3 4s are 12 plus 12 plus 4. 5 4s are 20 minus 4. That is 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 and 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. This is correct answer. So y is equal to 4 is the correct answer because LHS is equal to RHS. Let's go to 10th bit. 10th one from the second bit. That is little bit lengthy but easy. So here we have to multiply the 3 with the whole bracket. So 3 into x, that is 3x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to, and we have to multiply the whole bracket, that is whole bracket with the 5. 5 2s are 10. 10x plus 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are and 5 1s are. That is 5 1s are 5. So we got something different equations in the LHS and RHS when compared with the question. So 3x minus 9, 10x plus 5. So we do one thing here, minus 9 here, when it goes to RHS, right hand side, it becomes plus 9. 3x is equal to 10x plus 5 plus 9, because minus becomes plus when it goes to RHS. We have to remember these all 4 conditions of transforming quantities. So 3x is equal to 10x plus 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 3x is equal to 10x plus 14. So here 10x is plus. We have to transform into LHS. So 3x minus 10x. Here it is plus. The whole term is plus. When it goes to the LHS, it becomes minus. Is equal to 14 when it goes to here. So 3x minus 10x, that is 7x. Not 7x, minus 7x, because bigger value has a minus value. So minus 10x is equal to 14. Minus 7x is equal to 14. minus 7x is equal to 14. Here minus 7 is multiplying with x. So when the multiplication goes to RHS, it becomes division. We have already studied. So here when minus 7 goes to RHS, x is equal to 14 by minus 7. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, because here minus. So x is equal to minus 2. We have to check whether minus 2 is the correct answer or not. So I will erase this totally. So we got x is equal to minus 2. So we have to substitute the value in the question. This is 1. So wherever the x, we have to substitute minus 2. That is 3 into minus 2 minus 3. We have to put minus value in the bracket. Okay. So that we won't get confusion. So here minus 2 minus 3. So 3 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5. Here minus 2 minus 3 becomes minus 5 is equal to 5. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1. Here 3 5s are 15. Minus 15. Minus 15 is equal to, that is minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 into 15. 5 3 is a 15. So minus 15 is equal to minus 15. So RHS is equal to LHS. Then x is equal to minus 2 is the correct answer. Before going to third exercise of the simple equations, we have to do and we need to do some example problems so that we can get command over the problems, and also we will understand concepts clearly. So we will do example problem, example 8. I will show the question. The question is, the present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, the sum of their ages, that is Ramu's father and Ramu, sum would be 70 years. Find their present ages. We have to find the Ramu's father age and Ramu age. Let's do. Here, Ramu's present age is we don't know. And also we don't know the Ramu's father's age also. But we know that Ramu's father age plus Ramu's age combined together is equal to 70 years after 5 years. Okay, let's write something here. So Ramu age. Ramu age is, that is present age here. This is present age. Present age is x years. Let's just assume, because we don't know. And the present age of father, that is present of Ramu's father. Ramu's father age. Ramu's father age. That is 3 times of Ramu. Because in the question they have given the present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. Is nothing but if I take an example, that is Dairy Milk chocolate. The Dairy Milk chocolate is cost is 3 times greater than the 5-star chocolate. So if the 5-star is, let us take 5-star. This is 5-star chocolate. This is 5-star chocolate, and this is Dairy Milk chocolate. Dairy Milk chocolate's cost is 3 times more than the 5-star. So if the 5-star is 2 rupees, then the Dairy Milk is 6 rupees, because 3 into 2 is 6 rupees. So 3 times greater than, let's observe 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 times greater than the 5-star. So here similarly present age of Ramu also. Here they have given the present age of Ramu father is 3 times greater than the present age of Ramu. So if we consider the Ramu is equal to x, here Ramu is equal to X we have considered, then the Ramu's father will be 3x, because in the question they have given 3 times greater than 3 times of Ramu's age. So 3 into x. After 5 years, Ramu's age will be, just we have to add the present age of, what is the present age of Ramu is here x. What is after 5 years? Just plus 5. If the after 5 years or after 10 years, then after 10 years is 10 years. Here they have given after 5 years, the Ramu's age will be x plus 5. Plus 5. Let's think the Chintu or something Ali. Ali age is now 2 years. Let's think 2 years. After 5 years, it becomes plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. We know. This concept is same as here. So after 5 years, Ramu's age will be x. Present age plus 5 years. Similarly, and then his father age also. After 5 years, Ramu's father age. After 5 years, Ramu's father age. Here present age plus 5. What is the present age? 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. We have to add the 5 years just because of after 5 years. And also they have given that after the 5 years, they have said that after 5 years, I am writing a shortcut, 5 years, the addition of Ramu's age plus Ramu's father's age is equal to 70. So here, Ramu age plus Ramu's father age. So Ramu's father's age is father's age. So here, after 5 years, Ramu's age plus Ramu's father age will be 70 years. They have given the question. So the summation, that is, after 5 years, the sum of their ages would be, if they add the ages of Ramu's age and Ramu's father age after 5 years, we will get 70. So by this 70, we can obtain the 2 ages. So erase this all. We have to take this 3 plus 5 and x plus 5 equations, because after the 5 years. So after the 5 years, adding the 2 ages becomes 70. So after 5 years, Ramu's age is x plus 5, and after 5 years, Ramu's father's age is 3x plus 5. So addition of these two is equal to 70, because they have given the question, that is, sum of their present ages after 5 years ages is equal to 70. So we got some equation. So here x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 70. X and x, that is x plus 3x is equal to 4x, and x plus 5 is equal to 10 is equal to 70. So here plus 10 becomes minus 10 when it goes to LHS. We know already. So 4x is equal to, it becomes 70 minus 10. That is 4x is equal to 70 minus 10 is equal to 60. 60. That is 4x is equal to 60 we got. Here 4 is multiplying with x. When 4 goes to RHS, it becomes division. We know already the multiplication becomes division when it goes to RHS. So 4 goes to RHS. So x is equal to 60 by 4. So here we have to make the division. We don't know the division of 4. Up to we know 4 tens are 40. We can do division also. 4, 60. So 4 ones are 4 and 2 is remaining 20. So 4 fives are 20. Here 20. So 4 ones are 4 15s are. X is equal to 15 we got. So x is what is the x here? 15. So we got x is equal to 3. And we have to substitute in the first equation we got that Ramu's first age. Ramu's present age, we know that is x, and Ramu's father's age is Ramu's father's age is 3x because 3 times of Ramu. We know already x is equal to 15. So here the x is equal to 15. The Ramu's age is 15. Directly we got. And Ramu's father's age is, that is 3 into 15 because 3 times of Ramu here. So 3 15s are 45. 45. So 45. Here the 45 and 15 is the only present ages. So present ages. After 5 years here, if we take in the after 5 years, just we have to add the 5 years to the present ages. So x plus 5 is equal to, so x plus 5 is equal to 15 plus 5, that is 20. So 20 is the age of Ramu after 5 years, and that is 3x plus 5. So x is equal to, that is we know 3x is equal to 45. Just add the 5 after 5 years, 5 to the 45, that is 45 plus 5 is equal to, here 50 becomes, 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. That is the summation of two ages, Ramu's age and Ramu's father age after 5 years is equal to 70 we got. Third exercise of simple equations. So first problem, this one. The spoon total length is 15 centimeters and the hand length is 11 centimeters. We have to find this is head. This is x centimeters, this is x1. So we do know the x1. So we know that here total length is 15 and here the handle length is 11 centimeters, head is x centimeters. So here we can get that here, that is 11 plus x is equal to, that is handle length plus, so here 15 centimeters is equal to, what is 15 centimeters? Total spoon. Spoon consists of head and handle. So here the handle plus and head. Let us consider this is head 1, this is handle, this is head, this is handle. So handle plus head. So 15 equals to, handle is equal to 11 centimeters and here x. So here form a equation, simple equation. So let us erase this one. Just take this only equation, that is. So 15 is equal to 11 plus x. So we know already this here the plus 11 when goes to our LHS. Here this is 15. So we know already that here there is LHS and this is RHS. This is plus 11. Plus 11 goes to LHS or that is RHS. That is plus 11 goes to RHS. It becomes minus 11, or minus 11 RHS moves to LHS, it becomes plus 11. Similarly here also the 11 goes to here, that is 15 minus 11 is equal to x. 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to x value. We can check also with this one. Here we know that is 15 is equal to 11 plus x. We got x is equal to 4. Substitute the value here. 15 is equal to 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Here 15. So this one correct. Second one also that is the same as a first one, so that you can do first one and second one. Third one I am going to. If we add 7 to the twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. Here we have to clearly observe that if we add 7 to the twice a number, we don't know that is a number. Let's consider that is unknown number, this a number. A number is equal to, this is x. A number is equal to x here. that is x. He said that twice a number. Then twice is nothing but twice a number. It becomes here 2x. So if we add 7, so add 7. 7 plus 2x is equal to, we get 49. So 7 plus twice a number. A is a number, is an unknown. So we can get that easily. Here 7 goes to this side, becomes 4. That is, when goes to here, becomes, that is 2x is equal to 49 minus 7. Then 2x is equal to 49 minus 7 is equal to 9 minus 7, 2. 42. So here the 2x is equal to 42. 2x is equal to 42. When here the 2 is multiplying with x, when 2 goes to the RHS, right hand side, it becomes, that is, multiplication goes to RHS, it becomes division. We know already. So 2 goes to that side, that is x is equal to 42 by 2. 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So x is equal to 21. We can check by substituting the x value in this here. So let us check the verification. That x value is equal to 21. We got here the 7 plus 2x is equal to 49. Substitute x in here. So 7 plus 2 into 21. Let's erase this for the expand. Actual equation we got 7 plus 2x is equal to 49. So x is equal to 21. That is x plus 2 into 21 is equal to 49. Just substitute the value where the x is equal to 21. So 7 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 is equal to 49. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 4. We know that it is 72 here. Let us 72 plus 7. That is here 9 and 4. So that is 49 is equal to 49. Fourth one similar as third one, same as third one. Here if we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number, we get 68. Find the number. The process is same, but the numbers are different. Here the 7 is added to twice a number. A number is unknown. We get here what is 49. This is third one. In the fourth one we get here, 22 is subtracted from what? 3 times a number, that is a number is x, and 3x minus 22 subtracted we get here 68. So we have to subtract this 22. When 22 goes this side here, that is 3x is equal to 68 minus plus 22, because minus 22 becomes plus when it goes to RHS. So 3x is equal to 68 plus 22. 8 plus 2 is equal to 0. 1 carry here. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9. 90. So 0. So x is equal to 90 by 3. Because here multiplication, when goes to RHS, it divides. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So x is equal to 30. See the fifth one. Find the number when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. So we have to find the number. Here is given that the when multiplied by 7 then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. So we don't know the number. So 7 should be multiplied by unknown number, that is x, and reduced by 3. So we got which is equal to 53. We get here. So what he said? A number is when multiplied by 7. So 7x minus reduced by 3 equal to 53. We got equation. When we get equation, we can solve easily. When minus 3 goes to RHS, it becomes plus. So 7x is equal to 53 plus 3. So 7x is equal to 56. 56. 7x here the 7 is multiplying with x. When 7 is multiplication when goes to RHS, that is right hand side, it becomes division. We know already. This transforms into division when LHS to RHS. So here LHS, this RHS goes to, that is x is equal to 56 by 7. 56 by 7. 7 ones are 7 eights are. So x is equal to 8. We got. We can check here by substituting x value in here. So the equation we got is x 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. We got x is equal to 8. Whether check it is correct or not. 7 x value is 8 minus 3 is equal to 53. 7 8s are 56 minus 3 is equal to 53. So 53 is equal to 53. Got. And the sixth one. The sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the other number. Here sum of two numbers. We don't know two numbers. Let's take x and y. X and y are the two numbers. Two numbers. There is unknown numbers. We don't know. But he has given that if one exceeds the other by 3, that is x is equal to y plus 3. So one is exceeding the other, x plus 3, y plus 3. So we have that here. And also they have given that is x plus y is equal to sum of two numbers is 95 and also 95. So two equations are given. So substitute this x value in here. We know already x is equal to y plus 3. Substitute here. That is x is equal to y plus 3. Y plus 3 plus y is equal to 95. Y plus 3, that is y plus 3 plus y is equal to 95. Then y plus y is equal to 2y. 2y plus 3 is equal to 95. 2y is equal to 95 minus 3. Because plus 3 becomes minus 3 when it goes to RHS. So 2y is equal to 95 minus 3 is equal to 92. Y is equal to 92 by 2. So here it finds difficult, so we may take the help of division here. That is 92. 2. 2 4s are 8 here and 1 remaining. Take 2 here. 2 6 are 12. So 0. So 2 1s 2 46. So y is equal to 46 the answer. Here we got y is equal to 46. And we have two numbers here, the x and y. So we got 46 here. And the x we know x is equal to y plus 3. So y is substitute here. We can get easily here. Let's erase this. X is equal to y plus 3. X is equal to y plus 3. So we know y is equal to 46. That is x is equal to 46 plus 3. That is equal to 49. X is equal to. And also we have to get that x plus y is equal to 95. So we got x is equal to 49 and y is equal to 46. Let's check whether these x and y values are correct or not. By checking process, we can check the correct answer or not. Here the x plus y is equal to, what's the answer? X plus y is equal to 95. So x is equal to 49 plus 46. 5 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8, 9. So we got x plus y is nothing but 95. Here x is equal to 46 plus 49 is equal to 95. 95 we got. So seventh one, that is seventh one. Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. So here the what is integers? That is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on and so on. Here these are the integers we know already. Already in the first chapter. Seventh one from the exercise 3rd of simple equations. So after 15 years, Hema's age will be will become 4 times that of her present age. Find the present age. So here, what is the present age? We don't know. Let's think here, let us assume. So Hema's present age. Present age is X. So after 15 years, what becomes he? After 15 years, that is, after 15 years, the present age becomes, after 15 years, that is Hema's age becomes 15, X plus 15, the present age plus 15, because let's think here, the Ali has 2 years right now. Ali has 2 years right now, the present age. So after 10 years becomes 2 plus 10, so is equal to 12 becomes. Same as in the Hema situation also. So here X plus 15. So but in the question they have given one condition that Hema's age will be 4 times of present age after 15 years. So here after 15 years, what becomes 4 times of present age here. So 4x becomes here. That is after 15 years of present age, so here x is the present age and 15 is the after 15 years. So 15 years after the present age is equal to 4 times of the present age. So we got exact equation from the question. So here x addition, when goes to RHS it becomes minus, that is 15 is equal to 4x minus x, that is 15 is equal to 3x. 4x minus x is equal to 3x. So here 3 is multiplying here. When goes to LHS it becomes division. So 15 by 3 is equal to x. So we know 3 ones, 3 5s. So x is equal to 5. So let's think here, the present age of Hema's age, present age is here x. That is x is equal to present age here. Present age. So after 15 years, what happens here? After 15 years, it becomes x plus 15. Simply the substitution x is equal to 5. That is 5 plus 15 is equal to 20. So 11th one is question. A sum of 3000 is to be given in the form of 63 if the price is either 100 rupees or 25 rupees. Find the number of prices of each type. So they have given 63 prices. 63 prices, which is 63 prices summation, that is combination, adding all 63 prices is equal to 3000. So but in 63 prices there is a price of 100 rupees and also 25 rupees. We don't know how many 100 rupees prices are there and how many 25 rupees prices are there. So we have to find the how many 100 rupees prices and also 25 rupees prices. So in the question they have given that is 63 prices. 63 prices are there. 63 prices, which is a combination of two kinds of prices. In the 63 prices, there are two types of prices are there. So let us think, that is, we don't know the two kinds of prices, x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 63. 63. Okay. 63. And also they have given that two prices, that is 25 rupees and 100 rupees price. These are the two prices, two kinds of prices, which cost 25 rupees one and another one is 100 rupees. So this summation, the 63 prices summation, that is 63 cost of 63 prices, that is cost of 63 prices is equal to 1000 rupees. So that is x plus y is equal to 63. This is the two prices. Let us consider that is 25x plus 100x. Nothing but 25 is one kind of cost, one kind of price cost. Another kind of price cost is 100 rupees. So 25, first type of price 100 rupees, second type of price is equal to 1000 rupees, because the combination of first type and second type prices is equal to 1000 rupees. So we got here two equations. This question is little bit different when compared with all questions in the exercise. So here we got that is first equation here, second equation here. So in the previous I have written 1000 rupees, actually it's 3000. So 25x plus 100y is equal to 3000. That is nothing but first type of price, that is type 1 and type 2. Type 1, type 2 are the prices types. There are two types of prices. That is first type, second type prices cost. If we add the first type and second type price cost together, all types, so which cost 3000 rupees. So here 3000 nothing but the cost of all prices, type 1 and type 2, that is 63 prices. Here 63 prices, that is here I will write the prices 63, we have 63 prices which is cost, that is 3000, but 63 having two types of prices, that is 25x and 100x, that is 100x. The 100 is the cost of price, 25 is the cost of price, and x is the type of price. So is equal to 3000 here. So let us erase this all. We go into the problem. So here x plus y is equal to 63. Let's do one thing. For our convenience, y here plus, so transform to the LHS, not RHS, here RHS. So RHS, so x is equal to 63 minus y. So we got another x value in the term of equation. So substitute this x value in the, that is second equation. Here the first equation, substitute the x value in here second equation. So 25x plus 100y is equal to 3000 here. We got already x is equal to 63 minus x. So here 25 63 minus y plus 100y is equal to 3000. So here we have to multiply 25 into 63 into 25 into y. So here let's take 63 into 25 into 25. You can do in multiplication. Into 63 we got 1575. So here we have to multiply, and here multiply, we have to multiply. That is 25 into 1575 minus 25 into y, 25y equals to plus 100y is equal to 3000. So here we have 1575 number and minus 25 plus, let's erase this for our convenience. Erase the equation also, we can write in the further. So 100y is equal to 3000. So 1575, that is 1575 minus 25y plus 100y is equal to 3000. So here 25y minus 25y plus 100 is equal to what becomes here 75y. 75y minus 1575. is equal to 3000. So here 1575 goes to RHS. It becomes minus. So minus 75y is equal to 3000 minus 1575. So here we have to subtract here, that is 1575. That is 10 minus here. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 2. And here 9 minus 5, 4. This is 0. So 425. No. Here 2, that is 1425. Here 1425, that is 1425 is equal to this 75y. Here 75 is equal to 1425. So y is equal to 1425 by that is 75. If we do this calculation, we get that is 19 here, because 5 15s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Here 4 8s are 40, and here 225. That is 285 by 285 by 15. So 5 3s are 5 5s are, here 3 becomes, that is 57. 3 1s 3 and 2 27, that is 19. So here we get 19 here. So this is the problem, and we can do this problem in different manner also. In another method also, because in the beginning we have taken that x plus y is equal to 63. So here we have taken that x plus y is equal to 63, and we got x is equal to 63 minus y. If we take y, instead of x is equal to 63y, we can take y is equal to 63x. So which becomes more simple. Same problem, but instead of x plus y is equal to 63, we are taking the y value here. So here x plus y is equal to 63, and 25x plus 100y is equal to 63. So in the previous one we have taken x plus y is equal to 63. So when RHS to L, y goes to RHS, it becomes y is equal to 63 minus x is equal to y minus 63. No. So 63 minus y we have taken in this way. So here we are taking the y value here. Instead of sending y to the RHS, we are sending x to the RHS. Then y becomes 63 minus x. So here substitute the y value in the second equation. That is, this is second equation, that is first equation. So here 25x plus 100y is equal to 63. We know already y is equal to 63 minus x. Just substitute the value of 63 minus x where the y is. So 25x plus 163 minus x is equal to 63, because y value here same substitution, that is 25x 100 into 63, that is nothing but here here not 63, here 3000 actually. So I forgot right here, actually here 3000, that is 3000. So 6300 minus 100x is equal to 3000. So here substitute the values, that is minus 25x becomes minus 75x is equal to 6300 is equal to 3000. So here send this 63,000 into 6300 to other side, that is RHS, that is minus 75x is equal to 3000 minus 6300. So here substitute the value here, 6300 minus 3000. So here 0 0 and 3, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 3300. 3300, that is 3300. 3300, that is 75x is equal to 3300 we got, that is minus, because bigger value have minus, so 3300. So we have to calculate this value, erase this totally. So minus 75x is equal to 3300, here the minus symbol, so 3300. So minus gets cancelled, that is 75x is equal to 3300, then x is equal to 3300 by 75. So I will erase this. $3,075 here. When the 75 goes to RHS, it becomes division. Let's take 5 ones are 5. Here remains 2. That is 25. 5 15s are 5 15s are 75, and 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Here 3. So 30 again. 5 6 are 30. 0. So 5 3s are, and 5 ones are 5. Here 1. And 16 is nothing but the 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Again 1 here. So 5 2s are 10. So 132 divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. Here 1. That is 3 4s are 12. Again 4s are. So we got here what? X is equal to 44 value. So we got 44 value. We want a y also. So we have to substitute the value in the here. So x is equal to 44 plus y is equal to 63. So y is equal to 63 minus 44. So we get y is equal to 19 here. I think 11th one is little bit lengthy question, and also it is little bit tricky question because of the 3063 numbers are big, larger one. So that's why we got 3375, and here the 3300 by 75, 3000, that is larger values becomes complication. That is larger value when you see larger value in the question, it becomes little bit lengthy process for the calculation. So here 12th one. In the 12th one, a number is given. A number is given in 2 parts. So a number is given and divided in 2 parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. Here let's think x and y are the 2 numbers which is divided in 2 parts. So a number is divided into 2 parts, that is x and y. So one part is 10 more than the other. So x is equal to 10 plus y, because one part is more than the other. X is equal to 10 plus y. If the parts are in the ratio of 5:3, find the numbers. They have given 5:3. So 5:3 are not numbers, that is the ratio. They have given the find the numbers and the 2 parts. So here they have given the 5:3 ratio. That in the 2 numbers are the 2 numbers are in the ratio of 5:3, and also they have given one hint that 2 parts, among the 2 parts, the one part is 10 more than the other. So let's think here the 2 numbers here. Let's think that is 5x and 3x are the 2 numbers, because they are divided into when the number is divided into 2 parts. Let's think here the 100 is divided. Let's take 10. Here 10 is divided into 2 parts. That is division makes 5 and 5. 2 equal parts. So here also, that's why we have taken the x only. That is 5x and 3x. So 5x and 3x are the two numbers. 5x is equal to 3x plus 10 because one number is 10 more than the other number. In the question they have given. So 5x is equal to 10 more than the other number. So we got equation here. Let's do. So this is the equation, that is 5x is equal to 3x plus 10, because this equation we got from the question. They have given the word, that is they have given the word, in the text sentence type. We have to convert the sentence type into mathematical equation. So here one number, that is z number, is divided into two parts, that is 5:3 ratio. Two parts in the 5:3 ratio. So the 5 we have considered 5x and 3x. So these are two numbers, and the 5x, one number is 10 more than the other. So one number is 10 plus 10 more than the other. So we got this equation. Let's do. So 5x, here 3 plus 3x, when goes to LHS it becomes minus. 5x minus 3x is equal to 10. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x is equal to 10. Here the 2 is multiplying with x. When 2 goes to LHS, that is RHS, it becomes division, that is x is equal to 10 by 2. We know 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. X is equal to 5. So let's substitute the value. Just we got the x value only, not the two numbers which are the divided. So we have to substitute the value here. We got x is equal to 5. We know that is 5x is one number and 3x is another number. So substitute the value here. 5 into x and 3 into x. 3 into x. We know x is equal to 5. So 5 into 5. 5 into 5 and 3 into 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 3 5s are 15. These are the two numbers. So let's see here. 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. So actual value is 40. Here 40 is divided into 25 and 15, which are in that is 5:3 ratio. So, and also 1 is 10 more than other. Let's do here. 25 minus 15 here. 5 minus 5 here 0, and 2 minus 1 10. And also the equation satisfied. So 1 is 10 more than the other. 15 is 10 more than 25. Equation balanced. Here 13th one. Suhana said multiplying my number by 5 and adding 8 to it. Here nothing but, let's think, my number, Suhana's number we don't know. So let's take Suhana's number as x. X into 5, multiplying x with 5, that is 5x, and adding 8 to it. 5x plus 8, it gives the same answer as subtract my number from 20. So here, actually they have given that in the Suhana's number is, we don't know, here x, and if the Suhana multiplied by 5, her number, and add 8 to it, it gives the number which is Suhana's number minus Suhana's number, same as subtracted my number from 20. They have said that which gives the same answer equals to the subtracting my number, that is not the Suhana's number, subtracting Suhana's number 20 from 20. So actually we have got Suhana's number is x. So Suhana said that Suhana have to multiply her number with 5 and add 8 to it. So 5x into 5x plus 8. So it gives some value which is equal to the 20 minus Suhana's number. So we got this equation. Let's do here, that is 5x plus 8 is equal to 20 minus x. So here minus x when goes to LHS, that is LHS, it becomes plus x. 5x plus 8 plus x is equal to 20. 5x plus x is equal to 6x plus 8 is equal to 20. Then it goes to RHS, it becomes, that is 6x. 6x is equal to 20 minus 8. 6x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. Here 6 is multiplying with x. When goes to RHS, it becomes division. So x is equal to 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So x is equal to 2. Here teacher tells that the 14th one, actually it's 14th one, that is, I forgot to write. 14th one, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7, and the highest marks is 87. What is the lowest one? So here the question is little bit lengthy, so we have to understand in a clear way. So let's check. In the first step, they have that teacher said that for the highest marks. What is the highest marks? Highest marks is 87. So here 87 is the highest marks. Highest marks is 87. So they have said that the teacher said that highest marks obtained by a student in her class. So God, let us think. Sita is a easy name. So Sita got 87 highest in her class. So 87 got Sita, and also Sita is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So here he said that so lowest marks got, let's think that Geeta got lowest marks. He is saying that here the names are not in the textbook, just I am writing for the example, for the understanding of a student, understanding of chapter and the question also. Here Sita got 87, that is highest marks, and the Geeta got lowest marks. So that twice the Geeta plus 7, that is 2 into Geeta's marks. 2 into Geeta's marks plus 7 gives the 87. So 87 is nothing but Sita's marks. So Sita's marks is equal to twice the lowest marks plus 7. We got the equation here. So let us think here Geeta's marks is x. So let us think here Geeta's marks is yes. Let's think lowest marks is equal to Geeta, and consider lowest marks x as x, because we don't know lowest marks, but we know highest marks. In the question they have given 87 is the highest marks. So 87 is equal to twice the x. Geeta's marks is x plus 7. So we got a here equation. Let's erase this totally. Just write this equation only. 87 is equal to 2 into x plus 7. This is the equation we got from the problem. They have given the sentence, we have to convert the sentence into equation. That's why we have to do more problems for the practice and also to get the command over the problems in the simple equations. So 87, here the plus 87. When goes to LHS, it becomes minus 87. 87 is equal to 2x. So here 87 minus x is 7 is equal to 80. Here 80 becomes 80. 2x. So here 2 is multiplying with x. When goes to LHS, it becomes division. That is 80 by 2 is equal to x. We know 2 ones, 2 4s, 200. So x is equal to 40. Simple one. Here the problem is simple, but the thing is we have to get the right equation. So that's why we have to read the question 2 to 3 times in order to understand clearly. That is, we are going to the 15th question. 15th question here. 50th question they have given in the figure, that is, this is the figure, this is the x value, and this is the 2x value, and this is the 3x value. So here these are the how the angles are. This is side of 2x and this 3x. The 3x and x are the beside of 2x. Two sides. Here one is side, one after one, there is a beside. So here the adjacent is nothing but side by side, adjacent. Adjacent is nothing but side by side. Here that is, beside. Because if your friend is sitting beside you, beside of you, then Ramo is sitting beside of you is nothing but Ramo is sitting adjacent of me. Nothing but he is sit here, the Ramo here. Let us think here Ramo, and here Ali. Here that is Ramo, here Ali. That is Ali. Where is the Ali? Ali is adjacent of Ramo. So here side of Ramo. Nothing but adjacent is nothing but side. So here the adjacent. So we know that we have to study about the angles here. So in the question they have given that hint. Sum of all adjacent angles at a line is 180. That is nothing but a straight line. Straight line summation of all angles is equal to 180. Here straight line. Here three angles formed. This summation is equal to 180 they have given. So let's here, that is x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. So x plus 2x plus 3x is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6x is equal to 180. When it goes to RHS division, x is equal to 180 by 6. That is 6 1s are 6 3s are 0. So x is equal to 30 value. So x is equal to 30 value. We have to check here. This is the 30. 3 2s are 60. And this is 3 3s are 90. This is the angles we formed here.